Hello friends, day 66 and left Glencoe this morning and climbed up the Devil's Staircase, which wasn't quite as dramatic as it sounds, but it was a fair old climb. And oh, what beautiful views of Glencoe, even with the rain and the clouds over. In fact, in some ways it looks more spectacular like that, and continued to be good views during today. Definitely this section of the West Highland Way is better than the earlier sections in my view. I'm about 8 miles from Fort William. I'm camped just before the forest, which will then take me down into Fort William. So see you on the trail. Once again, another spectacular room with a view, looking down over the forest, which will take me down into Fort William, and a breeze to keep the mosquitoes away.